My name's Lindsay Davies, and I'm the Chief Scientific Officer of NextCell Pharma in Sweden and co-founder of our new subsidiary QVance, a quality analytics company serving the Nordics and Europe. QVance was born out of the fact that NextCell Pharma, in developing their phase 3 product, realized that there was a bit of a gap in the Nordic market with quality analytics provision. And so we have developed this new startup that will focus on quality analytics release, quality program development, and supporting new potency assay development for drug developers with advanced therapies in the Nordic and European region. With the international situation as it is, it's fantastic that Europe can be more at the forefront of ATMP development. And really addressing this, there is a need not only for manufacturing inside of Europe, but also supporting the quality and the release side of those products for use inside of the European Union and also within the UK. QVance aims to address some of those needs that are very specific to advanced therapy customers by offering a bespoke service to those customers for all stages of product development from discovery to commercial phase. It's great to be at Cell & Gene meeting on the Med this week. Lots of opportunities to hear latest developments internationally, but also within Europe specifically, new regulatory challenges that we're facing, especially platform alignment between the FDA, MHRA and EMA has been really interesting to discuss and to meet so many new people as well as old friends.